Online business world is a free market where everyone is competing against everyone else. A side hustle provides an alternate income source, giving you the freedom to choose your career path. Businesses may start with passion, but they are run with numbers and systems. What if your side hustle is not high paying enough to replace the day job? Side hustle is a great way to increase income and allow yourself to get your hands on some extra cash. A side hustle provides an alternate income source, giving you the freedom to choose your career path. But what if your side hustle is not high paying enough to replace the day job? Or there is inconsistency in the gigs? These are some issues every online entrepreneur has to face. Initially, it is difficult to launch a business with consistent income. But that is not even the difficult part. The real issue is that even after spending months on the venture, most people are not able to convert their hustle into a business and they simply quit. Guys, there is a limitation on your resources, both time and money. You have to find a way to transition from a purely gig worker type stint into a full-scale business. And in this video, I will teach you how to do it in 3 simple steps. Step number 1, find scale. You cannot expect to create a business unless you find a way to scale it. Scaling will require either hiring a team to handle the excess workload or hiring third-party vendors to finish the job. I'll illustrate with an example. If you are getting gig jobs as a content writer on finance topics, the only way to scale would be to hire more writers and build your own team, or use writers for a gig, thereby becoming a client yourself. You bag the difference as a profit. A business means you, the owner of the business, are a layer above the workers. Client relationship and marketing and branding will be under your armpit, at least for the time being. A lot of people try to become a one-man army, looking to minimize their expenses. That strategy will never work. You will need to find cheaper ways to fulfill the client needs, but not try and become a one-man army. You can use technology as well. Use the profits from the gigs to fund software like MailChimp so you can reach multiple potential clients. Long story short, if you want to turn your hustle into a business, you have to figure out some way to scale certain aspects of it. Step number 2, Hyperspecialize. If you want your business to grow fast and become profitable, you need to niche down real hard. It cannot be simply content writer. It must be something like content writer specializing in health and lifestyle, or content writer specializing in finance. A niche, especially a hyper niche, gives you leverage. Remember guys, online business world is a free market where everyone is competing against everyone else. So leverage is the name of the game. That is what you did with hyper niching yourself. There must be that one thing you are good at in an overall business. That will be your USP or the differentiating factor. Step number 3 and the final step, create systems. Businesses may start with passion, but they are run with numbers and systems. As a gig worker or a freelancer, you have to deliver the services to the clients, or you have to ship a product. Whatever it is that you intend to do has to follow a system, a step-by-step guide on delivery. In order to deliver on time and to a larger base when you create a business out of a gig, systems either have to be automated or at least efficiently streamlined. Break down the process. What I do in my case is think and script first. I allow the creative angle to come from my team. Unless something urgent comes up, a video is posted on the channel every 3 to 4 days. You also need to streamline and create systems for your online venture. Research, budget, execute, summarize, and feedback. Use this simple flow to apply systems to your business today. So, these were my 3 steps to transition from side hustle to full business. If you want a detailed video on this topic or any other topic, do mention in the comment section down below. If you found the video useful, make sure to like it. Also, subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourselves and your families. God bless us all. Thank you.